Welcome to ExcelWorks. I hope you liked the video. Let's get to easy learning. Open PowerPoint. I have made some prerequisite slide for you. This prerequisite slide contains information about who is presenting it, like Mr. Robert Redford from this ABC International. Some agenda of that meeting, like he's presenting a new idea or new business idea in front of his bosses. Maybe it's orange logo or something like that. So he will describe something about the color, why we're choosing this color name, and he will propose some product lines. Maybe he will propose some target market. And these are some pointers. The color, about the color. This is proposed product lines. This is target market, and this is market size. So I have collected a little bit of info for this presentation, so let's get to make it. Now go to Insert, New Slide, Blank Slide. Let's copy some information from this sheet. This logo and this agenda. Copy, paste. Let's make the logo center aligned. Shape format, align, middle, align, center. Let's align this also, but let's get it more tight so we can align it nicely. We have to keep them animations together. It is the same animation, motion path, line. Now the effect for this guy is left and this one to right. Okay, now let's check timing for both of them. Both start with previous. Let's check their timings. So timings will be very fast. It is 0.5 seconds. And they will start with a delay of, let's say 1. Yeah, 1 is fine. So now we're gonna see that till what extent they are gonna move or animate. Now click this red corner or arrow. You will see the shape movement. So you will bring it a little bit closer. Let's say bring it here. And let's see the shape movement till here. So let's move it forward a little bit. Maybe here. Yeah. Let's see the movement. A little bit more. Move, move, move. Here, yes, fine. So we will take this shape, which is a text box, align, middle. Now we will do some coloring here. Format background. Color will be the orange that we have. We will give this shape also white color, and we will give this text also white color. White, white, white. Now go to shapes, get a rectangle and make a square or rectangle, align it to middle and align it just here. For coloring, no line, and the color will be orange. Send it to back. Also send this text box to back. Now the illusion that we are seeing right here is that there is only one logo and this agenda will appear from nowhere from within the logo. Let's see. Yeah, it's cool, but movement a little bit far for the text box. Send it to back. Let's check the movement again. Go to animation pane, select this, and the movement is here. Bring it a little bit here. Yes, that's more like it. So select it again, send it back to camouflage and view it. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, very good, very good. Now one more thing, For this slide, you copy this information, zoom out a little bit, and paste it here. You can take it here, shape format, align top. Now remove all this. Keep the first point and remove all the rest. Okay, that's cool. Now duplicate this slide. And now remove this camouflage box. And let's remove all the animations from here. These two items. Remove. Take it here. Use your shift and resize it. I think this is okay. Take this orange and keep it in the center of the wedge, maybe. Yeah, this is cool. And increase the size of this guy. Make it bold and increase the size. Orange the color. Now the catch is you give morph transition to this slide from the previous slide. And the transition time should not be 2, but it should only be 0.75 or 0.50. 0.50 is good, it's quite fast. Now bring this text inside shape format, align, middle, align, center. Make it big, and also make the font big. Maybe 20 is fine, yeah. Make it bold and make it white. Let's align this one here. Yep, that's cool. And let's check where we are at. Also, if you want to do justify to this one, which I don't like actually, you can do that. This is a better fit. So let's check. Let's check the transition from first to the next. Let's go to the second slide. And it was very fast. Maybe we, oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. So first point is here. Now, where we have this one for the next slide, you can talk in this slide about the color, why orange is a color often used or associated with warmth, energy, and enthusiasm. You can keep talking, and when you go to the next slide, we will do another morph for the next slide. Again, take this content about the color, paste it here. Take it to the side, move it to the top, and remove all the content that we don't need. Now what you will notice is that it is showing bullet number 1. What we can do about is type 2 dot, give 2 spaces, come to the end of the sentence and enter, and it will take it as a second bullet. Alright, second number is there, and we are all set for this slide. So now we duplicate this slide. Right click, duplicate. Now we'll bring this text inside shape format, align, center, align, middle. Now we will match its sizing, its box sizing with the upper one. Perfect. And now we'll just take the upper one, go to home, format painter. It's very good. And we will just click on this one, so we have the same format now. Don't worry if we have bullet as number 1, just type 2 dot and make 2 spaces, go to the end of the text and press enter, and you will have the second bullet. Now we have to make some arrangement that looks more fancy. So we will change it back to maybe 0.11, unbold, and we will give the prominence to this one. We'll take it here. We have 6 points, there will be enough. Alright, and again we will go there and copy this one, bring the pointers here, and then we will do the next pointer in here. Shape format align top. Why I'm doing it at the top, so that we can remember what we have done. It gives you more structure to your works. Okay, let's change this guy here to like this. Fine, let's keep it like this. No, we have to change it. We have to give it bullets. Double space, come back, return, and we have the bullets so that it can tween nicely. So let's check again. Good. Next slide, please. This one is nice. Next slide, please. Okay, perfect. Now we will duplicate this one. Let's make 6 slides and I will get back to you shortly. Duplicate. Okay, so I have prepared all the slides, and I changed some colors, like for groups of pages. Like I changed color for the color, a little bit darkened, and I put some picture behind proposed product lines, and like clothing is for clothing, home and decor is for home and decor. For sports goods, I got all these pictures from packsales.com, copyright free pictures. So I have pasted assets here so I can morph them into the next slide, and I have ended the slides here. So let's check. Let's save it and let's check the presentation. Alright. Let's move to the next slide. Good, smooth. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and now we will move to next header. Proposed product lines, very smooth, and it is clothing. Because there's a picture, it will take a little bit of time, but smooth. Home and decor, sports gear, electronics, and target market, the customers, countries, okay, and then market size, and then ending. Okay, that's cool. So this is the template. I hope you like this video. It was a lengthy one, but in this type of presentations you have to take care of a lot of things, and you have to put a lot of content. So I hope you can use this template and make some very, very nice presentations for your office. So like and subscribe the channel. Name those animations that you want to make presentations with, so I can help in that. And keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video.
You